Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
United States spot Ether ETFs recorded almost $500 million in daily net outflows, marking their highest in a single day since launch. This was their second day of outflows since breaking a 20-day inflow streak on Friday. Elon Musk and Tesla were sued by shareholders who accused them of securities fraud for concealing the significant risk that the company's self-driving vehicles, including the robo-taxi, were dangerous. Gold prices climbed to a near two-week high, supported by growing expectations of US interest rate cuts, while investors awaited President Donald Trump's decision on Federal Reserve appointments.
The sterling-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.